How to sell on Facebook Marketplace. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can sell on Facebook Marketplace. So let's dive in. First, open your Facebook app and then you have to click this menu icon on the bottom right corner. And now you can see you have this option that says Marketplace. Click it. And here on the top you'll see the sell option. Click sell. And now you can just create listing over here by clicking this option. And once you do so, you can just choose items, vehicles, or properties for sale or rent. I'm going to go with items. And now, once you choose the required option, you can add photos over here, and then you can add the title, the price, the category. Just click this option and choose the category over here, and then the condition over here, and then add the description. And you can also add location and edit it, and you can hide from friends if you want, and then you can list in more places, add additional listing options, and then click publish. And that's how you sell on Facebook Marketplace. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.